सततम् अत्रिभृगुवसिष्ठादि मुनिवृन्द वन्दितं श्री अर्धनारीश्वरम् आराधयामि
This was a serious item, so I can understand that the children are unsettled. It's a very difficult concept, as I said in the beginning. I'd now like to do a small javali for you. A javali is usually a slightly quicker tempoed item compared to a padam. This javali is really a very sweet javali. It's in the rag Kamas. And it describes a very young Nayika who goes to Lord Vishnu and says, "Without you, I have no recourse to any happiness. Please take my hand in yours and please protect me, because I am being showered by the arrows of Manmatha, who's the enemy of both you and me." So she requests him to give her ashraya. And it's a pretty little javali. Before I do the last item, I'll do the javali for you, and then I'll finish with a slightly fast item. Thank you.
येरा रारा चैतेराई मरुबारी की ताळकलेरा 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 मरुबारी की ताळकलेरा मरुबारी की ताळकलेरा येरा रारा चैतेराई मरुबारी की ताळकलेरा मारजनक सुकुमार सुंदरा 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 मारजनक सुकुमार సుకుమార సుందరాయేరా రారా చైతేరాయి మరువారికి తాళకలేరా ఆయేరా రారా వలచి నిన్ను పిలచిన వలచి నిన్ను పిలచిన నన్ను సల్లాపించి మరి నన్నుల్లాసేవు సల్లాపించి మరి నన్నుల్లాసేవు వలచి నిన్ను పిలచిన నన్ను సల్లాపించి మరి నన్నుల్లాసేవు ఏరా రారా చైతేరాయి మరువారికి తాళకలేరా ఏరా సరసుడని చాల కోరినరా సరసుడని చాల కోరినరా వీరాన నన్ను కౌగలించనా వద్దకురా వీరాన నన్ను కౌగలించనా వద్దకురా సరసుడని చాల కోరినరా వీరాన నన్ను కౌగలించనా వద్దకురా ఏరా రారా చైతేరాయి మరువారికి తాళకలేరా ఏరా రారా చైతేరాయి మరువారికి తాళకలేరా ఏరా రారా ఏరా రారా ఏరా రారా
Okay, I'll conclude this program with a very rare piece. This is an extract from the Kalidasa's Kumara Sambhavam, in which a very unusual situation as far as Shiva is concerned, because Shiva is never looked at as somebody who embodies Shringara. He is the ultimate lover and the ultimate, perfect husband. But you never see, you don't see too much Sahitya where his, you get a peep into what he's feeling. But in this particular shloka, which is taken from the Kumara Sambhavam, it is a description of the time when Shiva is about to leave. His marriage to Himavan's daughter Parvati has been fixed according to the time and the place, and the entourage led by all the gods is about to leave. So Kalidasa is describing that moment, and he says that the 7 mothers of the universe, they came to Lord Shiva and gave him bridal attire and said, please wear these good clothes, don't go in your tiger skin and your ash and your skulls and your snakes, because Parvati might be alarmed, you don't look like a bridegroom. But he, out of his maryada for the mothers, he just touches those things. But Kalidasa says, because of his love for Parvati, his desire to be married, that's why even a simple person who marries in simple clothes looks beautiful in their marriage, because they want to be married. So that Shiva, out of his desire to be married, everything that he wears transformed itself and looked as though it was the tilaka of a bridegroom. The vibhuti started shining. The cobra, the gems on their hoods began to shine. And everything looked, the tiger skin, the elephant hide, everything began to curl as though there was a border to his garments. Like a zariga, whatever has a zari at the bottom, like that it began to look. So Kalidasa does this beautiful description, but one of the verses which I'd like to highlight is that Shiva gives himself away because he tells everybody, no, no, now come on, let's go. But he asks for a gana, an attendant, to give him his sword. And he takes the sword and he looks at his reflection in the sword. He allows himself that little bit of Shringaram when he looks at his own appearance in the sword. Very Veerabhavam, but also very Shringaram. So I'd like to do this piece for you. It's not in a South Indian rag, it's in the rag called Bibhas and composed by Madhup Mudgal.
स्यापि कुबेरशैले तत्पूर्व पाणिग्रहणानुरूपम् प्रसाधनं मातृभिराधृताभिः न्यस्तं पुरस्तात् पुरशासनस्य तद्गौरवान् मङ्गलमण्डनश्री सापस्पृशे केवलम् ईश्वरेण स एव वेषः परिणेतुरिष्टम् भावान्तरम् तस्य विभो प्रपेदे
ತ ತರಿತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿ ತತ್ತ ಝಂ ಕಿಡತಕತ ತರಿತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿ ತತ್ತ ಝಂ ಕಿಡತಕತ ತರಿತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿ ತತ್ತ ಝಂ ಕಿಡತಕತ ತರಿತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಝಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿ ತತ್ತ ಝಂ ಕಿಡತಕತ ಧಣ್ಣ ತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ ಧಿಮಿ ತ ಕಿಟ ತತ್ ಧಣ್ಣ ತತ್ ಝಣ್ಣು ತ ಧಿಮೆ ತ ಕಿಟ ತತ್ ಧಣ್ಣ ತತ್ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ ಧಿಮೆ ತ ಕಿಟ ತರಿ ತರಿ ತತ್ ಝಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದೊಂ ತರಿ ತರಿ ತತ್ ಝಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದೊಂ ತರಿ ತರಿ ತತ್ ಝಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದೊಂ
बभूव भस्मैव सिताङ्गराग बभूव भस्मैव सिताङ्गराग कपाल.
The spirit of it, the mood of it is getting cut. Perhaps it's not to happen. We'll listen to Lord Shiva. If he says we should not do it, we won't do it. So, any questions, I'll be happy to answer.
இந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கே இதுக்கு இது என்ன வே ஆஃப் ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங்
நன்னா இருக்கா மோசமா இருக்கா?
நல்லா
ஆ?
நல்லா இருக்கு
நன்னா இருக்கா? நிஜமாவே சொல்றீங்க சும்மா
நல்லா
சொல்றீங்க?
இருக்கு
நிஜமாவே?
ம்
ஒரு வேஷ்டி மாதிரி தான். நான் கொஞ்சம் நேச்சுரலாக போடுவேன், சில பேர் ரொம்ப டைட்டாக போடுவாங்க. எனக்கு டைட்டாக போட்டால் பிடிக்காது.
ஓகே தேங்க்யூ
ஒரு வேஷ்டியானா இப்படி தான். இஃப் யூ கோ டு ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ், ஒடிசா, எவ்ரிவே a veshti is usually tied like this. So it's trying its best to copy something that's natural and has flow. I like things that have a natural flow. I don't like to cut cloth and stitch it up and make it feel like a paper doll. Garments are meant to be draped. We have that advantage. We don't have to wear a tight dress. So I like to try and do that, okay?
உங்க குரு நேம்
Guru.
ஆ
I had many gurus, and all of them were Shishyas of Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundel. I had Jaya teacher, I had Tangamani Akka, I had Vasanta teacher, I had Pushpa Akka, Shanta Akka, Krishnaveni Akka, இன்னும் பேர் வேணுமா? அப்புறம் I had many music teachers. Some of them were very great teachers. Budulur Krishnamurti Shastrikal was one of my teachers. I remember stealing his, not stealing, but asking him to give me a little bit of his idli podi, which he brought only one idli to college. Adu na saaptutten. So I feel very sad about that. Many, many very beautiful teachers. I had some philosophy teachers like Shankar Menon. Avangalla romba periyava. They taught us the Bhagavad Gita. They talked to us about life, about philosophy of art. So, but teachers are also, I feel many of my teachers are my students. Every day they teach me about how wrong I am about certain things. So I keep learning. Young people can be gurus. Old people can be gurus. They don't have to have grey hair. Now I have grey hair. So I'm learning from young people.
We have a question here from the back.
Yes.
மேம், என் பேர் எஸ் காமாட்சி அம்மாள். பரதநாட்டியம் அப்படின்றது வந்து பரதநாட்டியம் தான் எல்லா லாங்குவேஜ்லேயும் சொல்லுவாங்களா, இல்லை ஒவ்வொரு லாங்குவேஜில் ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரி சொல்லுவாங்களா மேம்?
பரதநாட்டியம் அந்த இட்ஸ் a generic நேம். அது வந்து ஒரே ஒரு பேர் வச்சுருக்காங்க. பட் ஆக்சுவலி இதோட பேர் ஆக்சுவலி பரதநாட்டியம் இல்லை. கொஞ்சம் ப்ரீவியஸ் செஞ்சுரியில் இதுக்கு சதீர்னு பேர். பெரிய மேளம் சின்ன மேளம் இருக்கும், நாதஸ்வரம்லாம் இருக்கும். அந்த கோவிலில் இருக்கிற அந்த சமயத்தில் அதுக்கு வந்து சதீர்னு பேர். அதுக்கப்புறம் 1930s 40s ருக்மிணி தேவி வந்து இதுக்கு ஒரு பரதநாட்டியம் அப்படின்னாங்க. சில பேர் வந்து பரத்தான்னு அவங்க வந்து பாரத் கா டான்ஸ் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. பரத்தான பாவா ராகம் தாளம், அதனால அப்படி வச்சிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சில பேர் சொல்றாங்க. தெரியாது, ஒருவேளை இந்த பேரே மாறி போயிடும் கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு. டெல்லிங் யூ மை ஏஜ். சரியா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா மேபி earlier I was not dancing very correctly. But சின்ன வயசுல ஆரம்பிச்சது. When I was 10 years old I started learning. By the time I was about 20 I had started performing, and now nearly 43 years I've been dancing. ஆனால் இப்போ தான் கொஞ்சம் நன்னா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். மிந்தியெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் சாதாரணமாக தான் பண்ணுவேன். What did she actually ask me? ஆச்சா ப்ராக்டிஸிங் நீங்கள் அதுக்கு ஒரு அர்த்தம் இல்லைம்மா. நிஜமாகவே சொன்னால் many young dancers, they dance very beautifully. I see them, I'm very impressed by them. But I always tell them, என்ன இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ அழகாக பண்ணாலும் it cannot remain in the physical. இப்போ நீங்கள் ஃபிசிக்கலாக ஆடுறல் பாருங்க. சப்போஸ் நீங்கள் மனசு இல்லாமல் without love, if you don't dance, if you don't want to dance, or you don't listen to the sahityam, or you don't interpret the sahityam correctly, then it's no use. And part rombo ashanda irukano. It should not be, you shouldn't dance to bad music. You try your best to dance. All the great singers don't sing for us, but the best we can, we try and do. You should have good music, good sahitya, good body, good thought, good intelligence, good feeling. எல்லாமே இருக்கணும். சும்மா இப்படி கை கால் ஆட்டினா அது டான்ஸ் இல்லை.
Thank you, madam. In fact, thanks will be an understatement. You have blessed us with your wonderful performance. Let's have a loud round of applause. Now, it's the time to honor Padma Shri Leela Samson. I'll invite the Arivalayam child to come and present a memento. This work is done by the kid herself. Thank you, ma'am.
May I invite the chief guest, GM Vigilance, sir, and our president, accompanied by our president, to the dais, please. May I invite Mr. Rajaganesh to the dais. And I have the pleasure in inviting our Secretary, Dr. Kalyani, to the dais.
First of all, welcome our chief guest, Sri Ganeshan, the General Manager of Vigilance, BHL Trichy. Let me welcome our President, Sri Kumar Sarangarajan, Dr. R. Kalyani, Secretary of our school, and Sri Alathur Rajaganesh for being here for this function. I welcome and invite our Vice President, Sri Anantha Sainam, and request him to come to the stage. At this juncture, let me invite our President, Sri Kumar Sarangarajan, to address the gathering.
A two-day cultural festival, Swanubhava, was held, and now is being held, is completed now with all the aspirations we thought we will start with. I would have been more happier sitting there when I turned around and saw the entire crowd full and here. Now at the fag end I find when I speak probably a small head